Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Google Pixel 4 XL mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle. The flash sensor plug connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws to undo the battery plug. Next, take out the sensor bracket by undoing 2 screws. Please note one screw is missing from our device. Next, disconnect the sensor plug from the board to release the back cover from the body. Next, to pull out the broken camera lens glass, first apply heat to soften the glue, and then slightly push from the rear side to take out the cracked lens. Please note that removing the glass depends on the broken lens. Sometimes needs to pull out piece by piece. Next, place the new camera lens glass on the back cover with adhesive. If your back cover is damaged, you can purchase the back cover with the camera lens glass installed, and then transfer the sensor flex to the new back cover. Next, connect the back cover sensor flex to the board, and then place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the battery plug and place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.